time for a finger play. So this one is Here is a Beehive, so you may already know this one. I like to do it 2 times, once with your right hand as your beehive and your left hand over the top, and then once the other way around. When I count to 5, I start with my little finger so that my thumb can hold my other fingers down, because otherwise I just can't hold them down really well, and it's a bit complicated, right? So this is a much easier way to do it for me anyway, and hopefully for our little friends. So the other reason I like it is it's one of the ones that counts up to 5 rather than down, which so many of them do. Who knows why? Are we ready? Here is the beehive. Where are all the bees? Hiding away where nobody sees. Watch them come creeping out of the hive. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Bzzzz. One more time. Other hand. Here is the beehive. Where are all the bees? Hiding away where nobody sees. Watch them come creeping out of their hive. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Bzzzz. Take care, everyone. Ka kite anō.